We're here at GITEX. Non-stop Zoom calls, non-stop Teams calls, but what about actually having you, your actual you, in a 3D virtual call? Let's try. There we go.
That's very nice, always. Now you get there. So that's my colleagues here basically in Frankfurt. So we're making our meetings here also. Ben on the side. And
Hi Ben, I just saw you a minute ago. So I just sat down with a few people in Frankfurt, Amsterdam, anywhere, 9 different rooms across the world, and it makes meeting virtually a little bit more real. A little bit. I told you this place is a gamer's paradise. So I just came upon the Teslasuit. You put it on and you get to feel everything that's happening to you in the metaverse. So you're not just sitting there gaming and you crash and you're like, oh, I crashed my car. No, you get to feel as you crash your car. I'm not really sure if that's something you want to try out, but in case you do, you get yourself a Teslasuit. Almost looks like a ninja. And for those of you who are still confused about what the metaverse actually is, because it can be confusing, I invite you to come down to the Future Lab, because these guys here will actually explain to you what's the metaverse, what's available to you in the metaverse, and how it's going to change your life.